She's got a way about her.
If you're wanting to sing and play this wonderful Billy Joel ballad, here's the easy way to play She's Got a Way. There's only 2 parts to learn to cover the whole song, so start by playing this F sharp major chord like this. Now this chord also doubles as the intro, so you can just play it like so for 8 times. Now notice in the right hand I'm using my thumb, second finger and pinky to play that, and I use my second finger in the left hand to play that note. After that we're going to go down to a C sharp over F, same fingers in the right hand, just the 4th finger though. Then we go down to a D sharp minor 7 chord. Notice the right hand's the same as the very first chord. Then we go to a F sharp 7 over C sharp. Now I know there's a lot of black notes. A lot of beginners are taught to be scared of the black notes, but I've found that they can actually be easier to play on piano because you can feel them under your fingers. So don't be afraid if this is the first song you've learned with plenty of black notes. After we've played that, we're going to go to a B major chord, then C sharp major, B over D sharp, C sharp over F, to a C sharp. Don't be put off by the names, and then you're going to play all those chords again. So F sharp, C sharp over F, D sharp minor 7, F sharp 7 over C sharp, to a B, then you hold that B for a little bit longer before you go C sharp, B over D sharp, C sharp over F, C sharp, and then 3 more chords, D major 7, E sus 2, and finish again on that F sharp. The next section starts on this C sharp major chord again, thumb, second finger, 4th finger, then to a G sharp minor 7, to an F sharp major chord, and this nice B9 chord, before we go to a C sharp over F, an F over A, it's probably the only chord with all white notes in the whole song, to an A sharp minor, and then just move 1 finger in the right hand to make that a C sharp 7, and then these chords are actually the first 3 chords of the first part. So if you can slowly practice those 2 parts, you can actually play the whole song. I'll give you an example of 2 of the verses and the bridge, but anytime you're singing the verses, you just play part 1, and anytime you're singing the bridge, play part 2. So let's have a jam.
She's got a way about her. I don't know what it is, but I know that I can't live without her. She's got a way of pleasing. I don't know what it is, but there doesn't have to be a reason anyway. She comes to me when I'm feeling down, inspires me. Without a sound, she touches me, and I get turned around. Oh, She's got a smile that heals me. I don't know why it is, but I have to laugh when she reveals me. She's got a way about her. I don't know what it is, but I know that I can't live without her anyway.